Hello students, hope you're doing fine. So it's our time self-development period. You must be wondering what is this which is shown in the screen. It is there in your textbook page 17 if at all you have a textbook at home. Read that. Nisha has been admitted in a hospital. Everybody has gathered around her. You can see these are school children. Somebody teased her because of her weight and she started dieting and she fainted. But why to follow such an extreme diet? So this girl says she wanted to be like the ideal thin girl. The other friend, whoa, and how does an ideal boy look? So he has in his mind, if she says ideal girl is a thin girl, slim. So he's saying what type of ideal boy will look like? So she says brave and muscular. That's how it has been decided. So he says, decided? But who decided this? The girl replies, ah, really? Who decided it? Now even she thinks, who decided it? So this is the question that arises, children, very late in your mind, that who decided? Okay? That slim is beautiful, fair is beautiful. All these looks are superficial. You understand about it in a very later life. In your teenagehood, all these things are very, very important for you and you go by this. You are today's children, so you are a little more fast forward. You should be understanding more that how life carries on. You have to learn from others' experience. It's not necessary always to have a first-hand experience. That means to experience all by yourself and then say, oh, I shouldn't do this. Learn it from others' experiences. Read, know, understand, so that you don't fall prey to all these things, children. Now, your Nisha is admitted in the hospital. Why? Because she started dieting. She wanted to look slim. Thin, because she feels beautiful is slim. So, because of her weight, somebody must have teased her, moti, or all these things which are not actually supposed to be teased. And you should also understand, children, if somebody is teasing you and you don't like it, you have all the right to say, stop it. If they don't stop it, first you have to make them understand that you don't like it. Okay, if you smile, you giggle, then they'll continue thinking that you are loving their jokes. So first and foremost, whatever it is, okay, tall, short, whatever, based on the physical appearance, if somebody is teasing you, you need to ask them to stop it sternly. You have to make them understand that you did not like it and won't like it in future too. So this is where you have to put up your image, you have to put up yourself saying that I don't like this and I would not tolerate. So we go on. So teenagehood is where you want to look beautiful. A small pimple, a little one will also bother you like anything. Okay, which dress to wear, what, all these things. So this chapter, now our second chapter is media and I. Media and I. What does that mean? Means how media is going to affect us. Media already affects us since childhood. It's happening because you are born into a world where already media is into fast forward. Okay, televisions, nets, internets. So all these things are available, and where lot of descriptions and also many ads you might find, like Shah Rukh Khan's ad, you might find that regarding the cream. It is not a girl's cream, it's a boy's cream, and fair, okay, fair, dark, whatever. And you must have also come across a cream, Fair and Lovely. So it only makes you feel that only fair people, fair skin are beautiful, but it's not so. Beautiful is in the eyes of the beholder, the one who looks at you, the one who likes your behavior, your attitude towards life, the way you behave, the way you take up things, the way you do it, the way you perform it, and the way you are kinder, compassionate. Okay, all these things actually make you up. Not fat, thin, tall, short. Okay, not these things. These things are all superficial, but that to understand it takes too much of time. Okay, later in life you will understand. So it's better you understand now itself with this chapter that looks and all these kinds of ideal thin girl and all these things are going to only hamper your growth. So you need to eat nutritional diet, healthy foods, and be always fit and fine. You need to perform regular exercise, maybe just running about, skipping, cycling, whichever you enjoy, and you must keep it up that you eat healthy food and do not think too much about whether you're fat or thin or whatever. Take it as it is and you will enjoy your teenagehood, children. Now we'll go on with the chapter Media and I. So, Media and I, part 1. Okay, this is our second chapter. So, in this, we will understand what is media. Okay, what are the types of media? You will give me those answers to my question. Okay, what is media? What all types you know about it? So, those one liner you should remember, those who control the media control the mind. Those who control the media control the mind. So you tell me, what is media